Hello everyone, this is Saranya Ravichandran. So today I'm going to show you how to create a game like Flappy Bird. Okay, you all right? Okay, so today before moving into the how to create Flappy Bird, I'm going to show you how to load your file. So go to File and load from your computer. Click Flappy Bird and open. Okay. So I have already created this Flappy Bird. I have added the sprite like parrot and I have added the two pipes that is for obstacle. Okay. So pipe 1 and pipe 2. Okay. So this is a costume. Okay. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the coding for parrot. Okay. So whenever I click the parrot, there is a two backdrop. One is blue sky. It's a normal backdrop. Another one is game over backdrop. Okay, so what I'm going to show in is just go to parrot sprite. Yeah, whenever you click the green flag, switch backdrop to blue sky, and I'm going to set the variable like score. Okay, so here just make a variable score to 0. Whenever you click the green flag, your score will be 0. Then click forward. If the key pressed up arrow means the Y direction. Y is vertical position of parrot and the X is horizontal position of parrot. Okay. So here I'm going to change only the vertical position. Change Y by 5 and change Y by minus 5. Okay. Then forever it will automatically switch costume to next costume. Okay. So next there is a two costume over here. One is normal, another one is flying. Next pipe. Pipe here I added. If the exposition less than minus 160 means it automatically set x value to 300 and the score will be changed to 1. If the parrot touches this pipe, this obstacle means it automatically switch backdrop to next backdrop. Okay, shall we play the game? Yes, click this flag. Yeah, and just clicking down arrow. Yeah, see. The parrot touches the pipe. So the game over. We got a game over. Okay. So once again, I'm going to play. Okay. Or if you want to just go. Okay. This is called Flappy Bird game. So I created at my own. So during my online courses, I will teach you how to create the game, how to create the backdrop. Okay, all and all I will show you. Okay, and I will show you how to save your scratch file. Okay, thank you. So please subscribe my channel Skillhai and like my video and please share my video. Thank you.